Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
Yesterday, I was
Pay
off
attention.
yesterday, on off yesterday. So I said, since I'm off, let me use the opportunity to run some things since I'm not doing anything at home. So yesterday, I said to go to bank to UBA yesterday to open accounts there. So when I was going, I went to the UBA at Wedra Road. So when I got there, they said they are not working, that they are renovating the place, that they are not working. So I said, okay, let me go to the one at Bank Road at Petlo Junction. So I crossed road again. I got a bus there. A bus stopped by to pick me up. So I told the driver that please, I'm with 15 naira. Can you drop me at UBA at Bank Road? That I'm with 15 naira. He said, okay, don't worry, I should enter. So when I entered the bus, the Imo bus, as we are going, he then stopped by and said I should excuse him, let him do something. So he then stretched his hand and closed the back door. So in my mind, I was saying, you are closing the back door, whereas you are looking for passenger. Is it when they come now you start opening the door again? So after Cherubim Junction, the guy then so I received a call. After answering the call, the guy started telling me that you will stop here, that I will stop you for you to enter another bus. That since I entered this bus, that his mind has been troubling him. That if not, that he would have wasted me now. That he would have wasted me. That does it look like he's after passengers on the road? I became afraid though. So immediately I said, let me go out from the bus. The door was locked. So he started shouting at me that, am I stupid? Am I mad? Did he tell me to go out? No, I said, sir, you said it's like I will enter another, that I should enter another bus. That is what I wanted to do. He started shouting at me that, did I tell you to go out now? Did I tell you to go out now? Are you stupid? Then do you know who is talking to you? Ha. I was shocked. He then said I should look at his back. I should look at the back, that I'll see a red car that is following us. That car now, that they are the people that wants me. They're the people that wants me. That wants immediately he gets to where they are going now. That my name will be sorry. That this will be the last day of me on earth. That I will not live to see again. That just that his mind has been troubling him since I entered the bus. I should thank my stars. I should thank my God that he don't want to do me any bad thing today. That if not, that he then raised his clothes up. Nah, the guy was with gun yesterday. Oh. He put the gun on his trouser that yesterday. That I should just use it and know that he's not after passengers, that he's looking for girls. That he's looking for girls now. That and since that I entered the bus, that I just look like his younger sister, that he took me as his younger sister because I resemble the younger sister. That's why he don't want to waste my life. I should know where that he's going to stop me somewhere. So front of that Polaris bank that is close to government roundabout, that traffic there, that Polaris bank that is there, a guy now cross by. Because when I was with him in the bus there, he was there was someone was calling him. Yes, and someone was calling him. So and he was not picking the call. So the one that he later picked, he started asking, "Hello, Egede. No, be this girl, or no be this girl. Make you freestyle the girl, no be this girl. This one, na my sister be this, no be her, no be her." I was shocked in the bus. Then the guy, he now stopped by. The guy now cross road and came to where where the bus where I was. Then the guy now put his head inside the bus and started telling him, okay, guy, open the back door now, make we dey go now, open door for me, make we dey go sharp, sharp, sharply, sharply. The guy now, the driver now told him, Egede, no be this girl, now no be this girl. I don't tell you, say no be she. Now my sister be this, no be she. The guy started shouting at him. They started exchanging words in the bus there. And me, when I was just silent, I was not talking because I was afraid. I was even praying in my heart, say, God, just forgive me for all my sins, because I don't know if I will be able to come out from this struggle. So the guy now said, okay, guy, wait, make I park well. Remove your head, make I park well. He then removed his head from the bus that he put his head. The driver now drove off, started going to that Olu road. He took me to that IMSU side. From that IMSU side, back gate. From that side, prefer that is, he was just carrying me around Owerri that yesterday. I mean, when I was afraid, I was begging him in the bus, begging him. He said, I should no need of me begging him, oh, no need of me, because once I didn't mean he did not close that back door, that boy enter. I didn't mean he did not close that back door, and that boy eventually entered this bus. That there's nothing on earth that I'll beg that that boy will hear, even that I'll not even see him out to beg because I'll be unconscious now. I'll not even know where they're taking me to. That I should just thank my God that he decided to save me today. That I'm safe today doesn't mean that I will save tomorrow. Now let him tell me now that some men are after girls now. That they are after girls, that they are looking for girls seriously. That before we enter bus, that we should pray and we should be careful in the bus that we enter. That I should look at him that he's not looking for passenger, that he's looking for girls, and that this thing that he's doing to me, that he knows how and what is going to cost him. But the thing is that he wants to clear his conscience. That's why he's doing this. But the guy puts fear in me, because if he said let him, he will stop me here. When we reach there, he will pass. If he said he will stop me at the other side, when we reach there, he will pass. Then he said why he's doing that is because there are people following him at the back. That this phone that is ringing now, there are people that saw me when I entered the bus. So they are coming at Mbari Street, Mbari, that's Item Street at Mbari, that's UBA. After that UBA, you now get to Crunchies. So he then stopped me at that. He said, "She are going to UBA." I said yes. He said okay that he's going to look for a UBA bank to stop me where they will not see me. Then he now stopped me at the UBA at Item Street in Mbari. So when we got there, he now drove front again and stopped me at St. David Hospital. After that crunches, St. David Hospital. He now said I should just thank my God that if not that he would have wasted me. That if not that today would have been the last day of me on earth. That he don't even know why he's doing this. That I should just go and that money that I will pay him, I should go and give it to a beggar and thank the beg and thank I should first of all pray and thank God before giving the beggar the money. That I should not fail to do that. If not, that he don't know that I don't know the kind of trap that I fell into today. That I think is by being a fine girl, by being what. That I should just thank my God. That do I know how many people that that we are not opportune to cross to that we are not opportune to overcome this temptation. That I should just go and thank my God, and I should be very, very careful wherever I'm going. Any motor that I'm entering, that I should be very, very, very careful. That how much am I with? I said, sir, I'm not with any money. That the only money that is in my bag now is 250. He said, okay, that I should use 200, go and give to a beggar, and for me to thank God for what he did for me today. That he don't even know why I'm doing this. He don't even know the kind of spirit that I have that made him to do this. He then said, did he touch me? I said no. Did I take anything from you? I said no. He said I should just go and testify that sugar is from his motor. He then opened his car. That was how he dropped me. And that was how God delivered me yesterday.
All right. The reason why I play this particular uh, audio is for you people to understand what is going on in Biafra land. So let this message go, especially our young girls Going forward, don't enter anyhow bus. We are now in a very, very dangerous time. Do not enter anyhow bus. Before you enter any bus, make sure, if it is possible, do not stand and enter from the roadside. Always go to parking place. Always go to the parking place and to the park and enter a bus. As time goes on, because we know that the enemies are everywhere, we may, I believe the Biafra government in exile will have to come up with something. We may have to, implement some certain measures to make sure our people will no longer be victims of ritual killing. Very, very important. So we are going to bring a modality between now as soon as possible to make sure that we start to implement some certain measures to curb this particular incessant killing for rituals. So, but for now, let this message go to every woman in Biafra land that going forward, if you want to enter any public transportation, if you want to enter any bus, you must first of all pray to God and make sure you do not enter the bus from the roadside. Make sure you enter the bus where some people will see that the bus is actually a commercial bus and not those who are going to look for who they are going to kill for rituals. Because this is real. And once you enter the bus, they are going to do something and you get unconscious. And you will never know yourself again until you are gone, and your people will never hear from you again. So this is important, and Nigeria military are helping them, police are helping them. It is something they have come to do in our land, and together we are going to win them before Biafra comes.
So, my quality people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.